2007 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter. What we got done on it for you guys. It was true dual before with high flow cats there, and then it all rotted out, so we put some Flow FX by FLOWMASTER there, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back, and we reused his tips, save him a little bit of money. Black tips, they're still good, they just need a little polishing, cleaning. There it is. So it's true dual with Flow FX, 2 Flow FX mufflers right there. There we go. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels. Again. 113. Wow. Nothing like true duals on these. SLT. Let you guys hear on the I'll check it and make sure.